It's a murder. They're crushing everything. What's up, everybody? It is Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, September the 21st, and my goodness gracious, this is a meltdown. It is going down quickly, and of course, it's all started about 3 a.m. this morning, and it's been basically heavy selling ever since, other than a couple of attempts to rally, but they continue to fail. So at this particular point, all the indexes of Dow, Russell, NASDAQ, and S&P are below support and breaking down. The NASDAQ had broken down on Friday, and the only question was it going to be a false breakdown or is it a real breakdown? And right now, obviously, it looks real. I mean, they're just pounding away like everything. And of course, well, we're short, so I guess that's a good thing, right? Can't complain about that, as we've been short all weekend and told you we're not changing. The metals are getting, oh my goodness, they are just getting clubbed right now. Gold is down almost 70, platinum's down almost 80, silver's down about $1.50 or more. I mean, again, this is just wholesale, sell everything and worry about it later. And of course, we're short all the metals too, so a pretty good position to be there. And again, everything is breaking out of the consolidating range. Now, they could turn around later today, they could turn around tomorrow. But right now, they're all breaking down. And this is the key part now. Will it be a total breakdown? And will we continue to get into it, keep in the downtrend? Or is this the final blow-off before they reverse and go the other way? Doesn't matter. We will change when it becomes time to change. Bonds are spiking higher, which you might expect in a market meltdown, up over a point. I mean, it's not what you might think. And notes are not really budging much. They're up, but not a lot. So, and we're short both bonds and notes, so we do have a loser there. The dollar has made a dramatic reversal overnight. So now it looks like to me it's going to check that 94 again. And it could break out, certainly because the rest of the currencies are now breaking down as well. So you're seeing that the safe haven that places money is running right now is the U.S. dollar. Crude is down about $2. And of course, ouch, we're long. As you know, I hate it. But hey, again, it is what it is. I'm not going to argue with whatever's going on. And nat gas a little bit higher. Copper's down a little bit, but not anywhere near what the rest of the markets are down. So again, when you look at it, you see that this is what we've talked about, and this is how these patterns eventually resolve. They break one way or the other, and today they're breaking down. So we'll see how bad it's going to be before it's over. Certainly, there was a chance that the Dow could be down well over 1,000, maybe 2. But I'm not predicting it. I'm saying to you that based on the acceleration of selling right now, this could really accelerate and get nasty. If you get some fear and panic showing up here and the dip buyers don't come in, then you could see a major, major sell-off from here. And this could be just a start. But again, we're not predicting it. We're going to watch it and watch the price action as we always do. Grains are under pressure as well, as you might expect. Soybeans down 21 cents. Everything else is down, but not quite near that range. When you look at it, though, you have to understand that's a natural reaction because there is not many asset classes that are being bought right now. Basically, everybody's running for the hills. And again, we can see it could change. It has not changed our positions. We're long grains across the board. Cattle, both fats and feeders, a little bit lower. Not dramatically lower, but lower. And we are short those. Hogs are also lower. Again, not dramatic. We're still long hogs. So they're not in bad shape. I don't have any problem with the grains and the livestock are doing today. I think that they're all going to start to reverse. And some of this money, when cooler heads prevail, I think that's where the money is going to flow. For those who trade coffee, coffee's down about $1.50. Sugar slightly higher. We actually reversed sugar and are getting long here now. Cocoa, if you watch that, is a little bit higher. And cotton is a little bit higher. Last I looked, but I don't look at it as often because I don't day trade that. I just use that in the portfolios. So in the meantime, again, it's basically a wholesale sell-off. They're just selling everything without looking. Interesting, though, there are a few stocks like Roku and others that are charging higher. Just be careful. As I say to you every day, if you want to trade, fine. Just know your exit, because this is fast and you're going to have to give more room on stops if you decide to get in today. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our partnership with Family Farms. It's going to be great. And of course, this is why I want all my farmers and producers hedged, just for days like this, because you don't have to think about it. You're actually going to be able to have locked in a much higher basis to begin with and still have full run to big upsides. So again, that's up to you. In the meantime, Family Farms, great partners, and our brokerage partners is none better. Although I have accounts other places, CTG for commodities and futures, phenomenal. They do everything on time, when it's supposed to be done. They take care of it. They answer the phone. Great customer service. New products coming out. Can't beat that. And Tradier, first of all, $10 a month. But with the automated software, I've done so much rolling today. Nicola, I rolled down. SPY. All those things I've already rolled down and bought more shares in those accounts, but I'm hedged just at a lower basis. But I continue to take monies out. So that's what I'm looking to do. And of course, because we have their API, you get the benefit with automatic trading. You have to think about it. It does it automatically for you. And of course, the commodity report, if you read, you'll see that Andy sniffed a lot of this out coming in. And of course, that's called Tech to Mental. It's at BUBBATrading.com. It will be going up in price, but right now it's $100 a month and $800 a year. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. This has been Bubba's Daily Update, and tonight, Monday Night Football. And of course, last night we got tough beat, got stopped at the 1 yard line to win both sides of our bet. Instead, we actually lost both sides, even though there was some fives that showed up late. In the meantime, we'll call it a double loser. And tonight, it's hard to say. We're gonna have this. We'll call this the beer and pizza night, and we're gonna go with the LA Raiders just for a beer and a pizza, a casual wager. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.